Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salsa thicker. We'll explore various methods to achieve your desired consistency, from simple cooking techniques to incorporating natural thickeners. You'll learn how to adjust ingredients and prepare your salsa for the perfect texture every time. Get ready to transform your watery salsa into a rich, flavorful dip that everyone will love. One effective way to thicken salsa is through cooking. Simmering your salsa gently on low heat allows excess water to evaporate, concentrating the flavors and body. Roasting your vegetables beforehand also removes a significant amount of moisture, contributing to a thicker final product. Remember, a wider pan can help speed up this evaporation process. You can also introduce natural thickening agents. A tablespoon or two of tomato paste can significantly enhance the body and color of your salsa. For a creamier texture, try mashing in a small amount of cooked beans. A cornstarch slurry, made with 1 teaspoon of cornstarch mixed with 2 teaspoons of cold water, can quickly thicken it when stirred in. Consider your ingredient ratios. Using fewer high water content items, like cucumber, and increasing the proportion of solid vegetables will naturally lead to a thicker salsa. After preparation, chilling your salsa for several hours allows the ingredients to meld and the consistency to set. Also, blend only briefly to maintain a desirable chunky texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.